Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge extremely slow. First method is open Edge, click 3 dots, click settings. Click privacy search and services, click choose what to clear. Select all time, check all items, click clear now. Second method is open Edge, click 3 dots, click extension. Click manage extensions, turn off all extensions. Close and restart Edge browser. Third method is open Edge browser, click 3 dots, click settings. Click reset settings, click restore settings to their default values. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps, search with Edge. Click 3 dots, click Modify. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.